In this video, we will show you a smart way to create holes using Array and Combine. Let's see how it works. Select the heart shape. Go to Array section and start the circular array tool. Customize the array to fit nicely on top of the ellipse. Make sure that Clone Objects option is checked and apply the array. Now, if you edit the shape of any heart, all others will be affected as well. You can completely change the shape and size of the object. All these hearts are on top of the ellipse. So, if you combine them with the ellipse, you can create holes onto it in the shape of the hearts. Select all clones first, and then using the Control key, choose the object to be trimmed. Right-click and use the Combine option. You can also create holes using the Trim option. Using this technique, you can easily create designs with holes in just a few clicks.